Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to run Doom on Minecraft. First, you'll need to download the Doomcraft mod. Make sure to get it from a reliable website to avoid any issues. You'll also need Minecraft Forge installed, matching your Minecraft version. Once downloaded, simply drag and drop the mod file into your Minecraft mods folder. This folder is usually found within your .minecraft directory, making the first step quite straightforward. Next, you'll need the actual Doom game data, which comes in a WAD file. The most common one is Doom WAD, containing all the classic levels and assets. You can often find this file if you own a copy of the original Doom game. Once you have it, locate the specific folder created by the Doomcraft mod within your Minecraft directory and place the WAD file there. This step is crucial for the mod to access the game content. Now it's time to configure the mod. Start Minecraft using the Forge profile you set up earlier. Once in the game, navigate to the Mod Options or Configuration menu. Here, you should find the Doomcraft settings. Take a few moments to customize your controls, adjust the display resolution, and set your preferred sound levels. Fine-tuning these options will ensure a smoother and more enjoyable experience as you prepare to play. Finally, you're ready to play. Load into any Minecraft world, and you'll need to find or craft the special Doomcraft portal block. Once you locate it, simply interact with the portal, and it will transport you directly into the world of Doom. You'll be able to experience the iconic gameplay, complete with its original graphics and sounds, all seamlessly integrated within your Minecraft environment. Have fun reliving a classic.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.